Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with PayPal for affiliate earnings, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your affiliate earnings using PayPal, begin by logging into your PayPal account. Ensure that your PayPal account is fully verified. This includes confirming your email address and linking a bank account or credit card. Next, navigate to the wallet section of your PayPal dashboard. Here, you'll find options related to your balance and transactions. If you have not yet linked your bank account, click on Link a Bank to add your bank details. Make sure to fill in the required information accurately. Once your bank account is linked, go to the Activity section. This section shows all transactions, including your recent affiliate earnings. Find the transaction related to your affiliate payout. Click on the transaction to view the details. Confirm that the transaction is marked as completed. Now, head back to the Wallet section. Click on Transfer Funds. You will see options for transferring your balance. Select Transfer to your bank. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the details before confirming the transfer. Once confirmed, PayPal will process your request. Typically, transfers to your bank account can take 3 to 5 business days. You should receive a notification from PayPal once the transfer is complete. Check your bank account regularly to confirm the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact PayPal customer support for assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal of your affiliate earnings through PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.